if you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the audio settings menu and verify that the voice chat option is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Test your microphone. Make sure your microphone is functioning properly. You can do this by testing it in another application or using the built-in sound settings on your computer to check if it detects sound. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Check for updates for your audio drivers through your device manager or the manufacturer's website and install any available updates. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block voice chat features. Ensure that CS2 is allowed through a firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game-based voice chat functionality. Step 5. Restart the game and system. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting the game and your computer. This can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches that may be affecting voice chat. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the voice chat issue in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.